Hello there, it's Michael Jensen again. I just wanted to show you a flyer that I'm making for my team members. This is a fast track level 5 flyer. I'm teaching my team, and a lot of them are joining at level 5 because we get $92 commissions instead of the phases 1 through 4 are smaller amounts. And they're duplicating this too, so people usually follow their sponsor and do what their sponsor does if they are having success. So people are joining at level 5. They're getting the bigger commissions, $92 commissions. They spend $114 right here, $114 total, or you can spend $92.44 forever stamps, the first class forever stamps. Send in 44 stamps and $92. Or you can I can give you the company owner's email address and you can pay with PayPal. $114, and you can get your ID number fast. I'll make you a flyer just like this. You'll get the startup package kit. You'll get 180 premium buyer leads on peel and stick labels. You'll get the whole kit and caboodle, and you'll be off and running to where you can start mailing these out and get your team members to start at the fast track level 5. It'll have your ID number right here. This is my ID number right here. I'm still waiting on Spring Crawford's. That's her name right there. I'm making this for Spring Crawford. Her ID number will be right here. And this is my phone number, 352-286-8014. That's my cell phone number. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you have questions, like I said in the other video, we have a stamp collectors club. Everybody on our team, for the stamp collectors club, every referral we get 2 books of stamps, which equals 40 stamps. There's 20 stamps in each book, so you get 2 stamps every referral you sign up and join our private stamp collectors club through a flyer or a postcard. So people are skipping levels 1 through 4 and they're going right to level 5 so they can get to the bigger commissions, make money at home mailing cheap little postcards and flyers. This is 100% duplicatable. You can duplicate this very easily. You can duplicate me. If you like, you can market this on YouTube and with websites. I'm online and offline. I promote both through the mail and online and offline, but you don't have to. All you can do if you want is mail postcards and flyers. We give you the resources to buy lead labels, mailing lists, and you can get custom postcards that are branded to you so that your postcards and flyers don't look like everybody else in the company. This company program started in December of 2017, so it's only about 7 or 8 months old, and there's already almost 3,000 people in this program. So it's a very good program, and the owner is incredible. He will help you and teach you and train you a lot. He's been doing this for many years. I moved to mail order because the learning curve for online internet marketing is very steep, and I've been doing this since 1997, so I can do the computer stuff, I can do the online stuff, but a lot of people don't want to, or they don't have time to learn all this stuff. So if you can put a postage stamp and a lead label, a mailing list label on a postcard or an envelope, and stuff an envelope, you can do this business. It's very simple. If you start at level 5, there's 10 levels to this program. You'll get paid. If somebody joins at level 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, you'll get a commission. You get cash or money orders directly in your mailbox, and you get paid daily. I'm going to put a link in the video description of this video so you can download the flyer, or you can call me and I'll email it to you as a PDF document, and then you just print it and fill it out and mail it into the company. Everything gets sent into the company so nobody can cheat the program or the system. You can build your list with this program. Every time somebody signs up, You get their full name, you get their postal address, you get their email address, you get their phone number, so you can follow up with your leads, and you can build your mailing list with this program. It's very cool, and like I said, the owner is extremely humble and generous. I can't tell you how many times he's helped me and blessed me. Call me at 352-286-8014. That's my cell phone number. God bless you. Give me a call. Thanks. My name's Michael Jensen. Bye-bye.